Hello, my dear student of Standard 6. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you are fine. By the grace of Allah, welcome back to my class. Today, I will start a new chapter that is 13, lecture 1. And our chapter's name is Sustainable Development Goal. In Bengali, it is called Tekshoy Unnayon Lokho. What is the name of this picture or institution? This is United Nations, isn't it? I hope you all know this. UN was established on 24 October 1945. Since its inception, UN works for global peace and mutual cooperation. The first attempt taken by UN was MDG, that means Millennium Development Goals, for the period of 2000 to 2015. There are 8 goals. That means the 8 millennium goals are: number 1, to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, to achieve universal primary education, to promote gender equality and women empowerment, to reduce child mortality, to improve maternal health, to combat HIV or AIDS, malaria and other diseases, to ensure environmental sustainability, and last one, to develop a global partnership for development. And in its continuation, the UN declared global aims for sustainable development on 25th September 2015, and it is also called Transforming Our Sustainable Development World. There are 17 goals and 169 objectives and 230 indicators for sustainable development. The period of SDG is 2016 to 2030. So, there are 17 sustainable development goals. At first, lesson 1, that is sustainable development habitat. What is the picture? This is our Earth, where we live, isn't it? So, we live in a planet called Earth. We get essential elements like oxygen, fuel, food, water, land, and shelter from the nature of this Earth. We also enjoy the shades of the trees and beautiful weather of the Earth. But if we observe closely, we will able to understand that our Earth is constantly changing ecologically, economically, and socially. But what is the reason behind these changes? The reason is increasing of population, more human demands, and luxuries of standard of living. Okay, we know that we have lot of demands, isn't it? So in order to meet these demands, human beings are trying to raise their status as well as income. They are taking part in different development activities, like they are building new houses, roads, industries, infrastructure, etc. Farmers are multiplying their production by using fertilizer and pesticides, and it has adverse impacts on environment and biodiversity. So, such type of development is not sustainable or desirable. Okay. Now, at first, what is SDG? So, sustainable development is a process where futurity is pivotal, and it puts equal emphasis on the protection of nature, environmental friendly farming, safeguarding of human being and animal resources, eradication of poverty through quality of education, and removing gender disparity, etc. Now, I will discuss the 17 goals of SDG. At first, the first goal is no poverty. That means ending poverty in all forms by 2030. Here, we know that millions of people in the globe are still living below the extreme poverty. They are deprived of fundamental needs for survival. That is why ending poverty is the main target through SDG. Second goal, zero hunger. That means ending hunger, achieving food security and improved nutrition. We know that nobody can work when he or she is hungry. So we have to build up a hunger-free world. We have to confirm plenty of safe nutrition and necessary food as per choice. By providing SDG system, we can ensure food security. Number 3, good health and well-being. That means ensuring healthy life and well-being. Healthy lifestyle has to be ensured for strong and healthy living. For this, a standard health service system is to be established for the well-being of all people of all ages. Number 4, quality education. That means ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education. Here, inclusive means in Bengali it is called Ekibhuto Shikkha. That means in this system, all kinds of children will get equal facilities to get education from the same institution. We know that education is the backbone of a nation. So, when quality education is ensured in a country, there will be SDG in education sector. The main aim of education is to acquire knowledge, skills, attitude. Education helps to adapt people to cope with the environment. So, inclusive and equitable education has to be ensured and opportunities for lifelong education is to be provided. Everybody look some picture. So from the picture you can understand that what is inclusive education. You can see that is in the same class different kinds of children they are getting the education facilities. So this is called inclusive education. Okay. Now number 5, gender equality. That means achieving gender equality and empowering of all women and girls. Gender disparity is prevailing everywhere. It hinders the trends of socioeconomic development. So, equality between male and female is necessary. That's why changing of social attitude is needed for women and girls empowerment and to reduce gender inequalities. Number 6, clean water and sanitation. That means ensuring availability and sustainability management of water and sanitation for all. Here, pure water and sewerage system is urgent for good health. Due to lack of these, various contagious diseases and lead us to death. So, we have to preserve, purify and reuse natural water. Besides, we have to develop local sewerage management along with good habits to promote SDG. Picture of clean water and sanitation. Now number 7, affordable and clean energy. That means ensuring affordable, reliable, sustainable and clean energy for all. Here, Clean energy means the energy which has no negative impact on environment. It is possible by ensuring pollution-free renewable energy with reasonable price by using cow dung, hyacinth, household liquid dirt, solar energy, windmill, affordable renewable energy can be produced. Here you can see this is a picture of windmill. This is solar energy or solar panel. Okay. So everyone, there are though there are 17 courses here, I have explained today 7, and next class I will explain next 10. Okay. So up to this everyone, goodbye. Stay at your home safely. Take care. Thank you.